What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Joel Sam. As always, if you are new here, please do consider subscribing to this channel because over here I post a lot of educational content that will help you become financially free. In today's video, I want to talk to you about a new payment platform that will put an end to the woes a lot of you are having, especially concerning PayPal. This payment platform not only enables you to conduct transactions, buy credits online, pay for utilities and other essential services, it also enables you to create a virtual card which is linked to your mobile money number. Now, the things you can use this virtual card for include withdrawing your funds from PayPal to your mobile money wallet. So a lot of you have been asking me, how do I withdraw funds directly from PayPal to my mobile money account? This PalmPay virtual card allows you to do that perfectly and smoothly. Okay, a lot of you also need to make payments online, but you don't have Visa cards. With this virtual Visa card, what you can do is you can load funds onto it from your mobile money balance and you can make the payments online. So it's an exciting solution. I'll leave the link in the description below so that you download it and then you register. But then this video is going to be a hands-on full tutorial on how to register and get the virtual card. I hope as always you enjoy it. You leave the video a like and you subscribe to this channel. So without speaking much, let's jump right into the tutorial for today. Okay guys, so jumping right into the tutorial, the first thing we want to do is to go to our app store and download the PalmPay app. It's going to take a few minutes to download. You have to exercise a bit of patience, but then once it has downloaded, you then open the app and you will be logged into a user interface. What you have to do next is to click the sign up button and enter your mobile number. Now this mobile number should be a mobile money number and it is permanent. You cannot change it. You click accept and next, and you enter the 4-digit PIN that PalmPay will send to that particular number. The PIN shouldn't take more than 2 minutes to arrive. You would have to enter it twice to verify the number that you have registered. The next stage will be to set your PIN for the app and you'll be logged into the PalmPay app right after that. So this is what your user interface is going to look like. Send money, top up airtime, buy data bundle, utilities, cable TV, and insurance. This is what the home page is going to look like. So now the next thing we want to do is to register the app completely, complete our verification. And for this, you will need some important documents. You'll be required to provide your ID, the ID type, ID number, your date of birth, your gender, your residential address, a document photo, and then a selfie. So make sure you have those on you. In my experience, the passport works very fast. You can provide other forms of identification, but those take time to verify, and usually you need to message the customer support so that they do it for you manually. However, if you are using the passport, that works very smoothly and is almost instant. So you go ahead and you type in your full name, and then you select your identity type. So if it's the passport, you select passport. If it's the driver's license, you select the driver's license. Whatever it is, you select that. And right after that, you will be required to enter the identity number. So if you have a passport, the ID number of the passport. If you have a driver's license, the ID of the driver's license. Whichever identification document you are doing, the number that is recognized on it as the ID number. The next stage will be to enter your date of birth. It should correspond with what is in your ID number, so please don't change it. Don't write any football ages over there. Click the accurate date of birth. You select your gender next, and then you enter your residential address. The next thing you would have to do is take a picture of the identity document. So if it's your ID, you have to take a picture of it. If it's your passport, you need to take a picture of it. However, this is optional, so you move on to the next stage, which is compulsory, a selfie. You need to provide a selfie so that they can verify your identity. Once you've taken your selfie, you need to fit it in the box and then you click next. You'll be given a message of congratulations telling you that your PalmPay account has now been verified. So the next thing you need to do is to click virtual Visa card. So we want to now create our virtual Visa card, and that is the next thing you select after you have verified your identity. You see virtual card in the middle right up there. You click that and you fill what comes up next. Like we did to verify our identity, you need to provide the same information for the virtual Visa card. So you enter your name, your ID number, your date of birth, and this time it's mandatory you provide a picture of your identity document. Then you provide your identity number, the identification number, and then you provide a selfie as well, and you click next. Once that is done, they will let you know that your application has been successful, and within a matter of seconds, if you use the passport like I have explained already, your virtual Visa card will be ready. If you use some other form of identification, you may have to wait a bit, but it shouldn't take more than 24 hours, and then your virtual Visa card will be ready. So now that everything is set, this is what your interface will look like. That is, if you're on the phone, we've hopped from the iPad to the phone. This is what your interface is going to look like. If you want your virtual Visa card details, assuming you want to link it to PayPal or some other payment platform, what you have to do is to select the virtual Visa card, PalmPay Visa card, and then you would be moved onto this particular interface. If you want to see the details of your card so that you can use, you click this I button and you'll be required to enter your PIN number, and then all the information will be displayed there for you to use. If you want to fund the card so that you use it to make payment, you click fund, and then you click next, and then you click pay. Once you click pay, you need to enter your PIN again, and then the transaction will be submitted. If you are using Vodafone like I'm using, a pop-up will then appear on your screen, and then you need to confirm the payment. If you are using MTN, I want to believe a similar option will be provided, and then you will be able to fund your card. It's the same process. If you want to withdraw funds from your card, you click withdraw. So assuming you have taken your funds from PayPal and you want to withdraw them from the card to your mobile money balance, you click withdraw, you enter the amount, okay, and then you click next. Currently I have nothing in my card, so I cannot click next, but you click next, you enter your PIN number and you confirm, and in a matter of seconds the money will move directly into your mobile money account. Also, if you want an account statement of your card activities, you click statement or account statement, and then you have everything over there. Assuming you have linked your card to PayPal and they have sent the PIN is going to show right on this interface, okay? It's going to show here, just as I demonstrated in my video about how to link your card to PayPal. Then you can find more information about your card over here, the current status of the card, it's active, and then you can also see the card limits. For 24 hours the maximum amount you can transact is 10,000 cedis. The maximum amount you can have on the card is 45,000 Ghana cedis. The maximum card load amount per transaction is 2,750. So if you want to load money onto the card, you can only do it, assuming you want to load 10,000, you can do it 2,750 cedis at a time. I hope it's clear. The maximum card load amount per 24 hours is the same amount, And then the maximum card load amount per month is 70,000 Ghana cedis. So you cannot load more than 70,000 Ghana cedis onto your card per month. And then per quarter, it is 280,000 Ghana cedis. So guys, this is it. This is how to register for the PalmPay virtual card, and this is how to use it. It's very easy to use, no difficulty. Let me see if I can use one of my payment platforms to demonstrate how it works. So you see over here under my cards, I have Ecobank. So this is the PalmPay virtual Visa card. Apparently, PalmPay is working in collaboration with Ecobank to provide these virtual cards, and so once you use it on any platform, you see that they'll register it as an Ecobank card. Don't be worried when you see it. This is the reason why it is that way. So if I want to make any payments, I can just, assuming I want to make a transfer or I want to buy credits. Let's assume I want to buy airtime. Okay. Fixed amount, 2 cedis. And then I select the card. So over here it's Ecobank. And then I pay. Because I have linked my pins to my Face ID, I just have to click the Face ID and it will pay. I don't have funds on the card at the moment, so the transaction didn't go through. But basically, this is how the card works. I hope this tutorial has been insightful and you'll be able to take things on from here. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I'll see you again later. Alright guys, thank you so much for being with me in today's video. I hope you learned something new. I hope this is going to provide answers to a lot of questions that many of you were having, and I hope it's going to be a solution to the problem of especially withdrawing your funds from PayPal. I'll see you again in my next video next week. Stay tuned. Goodbye.